We have a vast variety of updates to go and talk before the year end, so make sure to listen closely and do all the activities for this airdrop, which we're gonna go and talk about, as well as claiming 3 airdrops throughout the video. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is to go and grab yourself and claim this Linea NFT. This is the 2024 Rewind. Very important to go and do it. It is for the airdrop in Q1 of 2025. We know the airdrop is going to arrive there. You got different stats. You get a little bit of an overview of how your year went with the Linea. So the link will be down below. First link in the description. Let me know one thing very important that I do want to know from you. First of all, in the comment section, type in the amount of transactions you've done in total. Here we got it. I got 227 transactions on Linea, which it is going to be very important for the airdrop, as well as I want to know your LXP, which it is right here. You will find that the LXP token, I got 2,365, as well as the LXPL total token. So let me know down in the comments below these 3 important criteria and go and grab it yourself. It is very cheap. It is like $2 or $3 to go and grab it. It is important for the airdrop, so make sure you go and do it. Following up, the Nodepay airdrop. Now, we know, as we see here, the season 2 is ending tomorrow, so you're still in time to go and do the airdrop for the season 2. You're still in time to go and earn it. Make sure to connect your wallet. And how to do it? Well, first of all, you need to be a active member. So here, for example, we see it with the referrals. You need to be an active. You need to activate your account. So if you've already into Nodepay, make sure to go and check. If you're not, the link will be down below to go and join. Make sure that you activate your account. And very important, go to the earnings over here and connect your wallet. Here we got the email, the wallet, connect the wallet, and you're good to go. And you will be receiving the airdrop allocation for the season 2, which is this one, together with the season 1 and season 0 when we all going to receive it. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and collect the medal and boost you got today and tomorrow to do it, which is very important, as well as completing the missions. Here we got all sorts of missions, from the daily to the streak to the 24-hour campaign connection, to the inviting your friend, to connecting your Discord and Twitter. So make sure to go and do them, as well as answering these questions, which are very, very simple. They will give you extra point and you will receive an extra token allocation for the airdrop, which is very important. Following up, talking about the Plaza testnet. This is a free to earn testnet. Some of you might already join, and if you have joined, this is a reminder for you. Go and do your missions today. Earn, sell, buy, leverage, sell, buy. If you haven't participated yet, it is very simple. I will leave you the link down below. Make sure to go, once you go and start the activity over here, you will be redirected to the dashboard page, which is this one. So all you gotta do, as you see here, I got 348 tokens. Go and grab your testnet tokens. This is the first step, and this is how you start to achieve the points. Then go over here to the earn and the leverage and simply buy and sell your token in and out. You have the possibility to earn yourself the token once a day. The point system for this airdrop, it is a testnet, free to earn airdrop, and this is all on a testnet. And as you see here, every activity that you do, you see here, these are the points. Now I complete this activity, which will be here, and now I got 354 points. And this is it, very simple. Sell, buy over here on the earn tab, and also do the same with the other token on the leverage tab. Sell and buy, and as we see here, you scale through the point. You go up, you go higher and higher, and you will scale the leaderboard, which the leaderboard, you're still in time to go and scale. You're still in time to go and enter. It is not too late. This is very new. We have seen this a while back, potentially for the first time around 2 weeks ago, and you're still in time to go and do it. So make sure to do everything. Make sure to go and grab your points, scale to the leaderboard. There's nothing to lose. It literally takes, as you're seeing here, probably 2 minutes of your day to do all this. And these are the only 4 activities you gotta do. The only 4 activities you gotta do is grab testnet tokens on a single day, on a daily basis, and then go and do this activity. So buy and sell your token, earn, leverage, buy and sell, and that is it. You scale to the leaderboard as people forget to do it, and this is why I remember you every day to go and do it, which it is very, very simple. And that's it. Simple as that. Tomorrow come back and do it again, earn more points. And with the points, of course, every time you go with the points over here, if you go to the dashboard and the leaderboard, you have the possibility to check the leaderboard, how it is going. You have the points and the rewards, and also over here, by the time you go 300 points, 500 points, you will have the possibility to go and claim the points. You will have some status, which will give you higher airdrop allocation as a Discord member. This is by the point system, very, very simple. So the more people use it, the more you are that you use it, the more points you will get, the more rewards you will get. Straightforward. Next up, we got the claiming of the Xeno airdrop. I will leave you the link down below. This is the first airdrop to go and collect. connect your wallet, check the allocation, and then claim it. As we see over here, I am not eligible. You can check different airdrop, you can check different wallet. You got the Phantom wallet, the Phantom wallet, Backpack wallet, and the OKX wallet. I'm not eligible, but if you are eligible, let me know in the comments down below. Following up, we have this one over here. This is the Lanka airdrop. Now, Lanka, as we see over here, it is a bridging protocol, and not many people talk about it. This is completely new. It is fairly new. 2025 will be a big year. There was a community call on Twitter. You can go and follow them on Twitter. And as we see over here, they could potentially have an airdrop, yes and no. In the community call, they did mention about it. They mentioned about a TGE, and we do have a point system on the top. And how do you earn these points? Well, it is very simple. First of all, you get the daily task, which is to like and follow them and to do a daily swaps. And then you got this other quest. This is like a total swapping. So for example, you can go and earn this one over here. They reset every 6 days, as you see. And for example, this is the on-chain Super Lanka. By trading $500, you get X point. In total, this is not by single transaction. And then you scale through the leaderboard. And as we see over here, I got this one, the on-chain, which is swap $1,000. I've just done it, verify the quest, claim the rewards. Once you claim the rewards, you get this token, or not the token, so you get the point, which is the sex point over here, the CR point. And if you reload the page now on 3131, if I reload the page, you will see that my points scale up because they come in from the missions, as well as every swap that you do over here. It does give you a total amount. So we got this 50 for the completing of the quest, as well as 9.38 for all of the swaps that I do. And as you see here, I do swaps and I do activities. So it's another one of those that you do on a daily basis, which it is important to go and do, in my opinion. And slowly but surely, you will scale the leaderboard if you do it. This is basically all about volume, kind of like what Jupiter over on Solana, the airdrop will be, amount of swaps and volume. And every 6 days, you have the possibility to go and do the 1,000 quest, the $5,000 quest. You also have the possibility to go and do the $10,000 quest, and so on. So it is very, very simple how to go and do it straightforward. The link will be down below. There is no referral link, there is no affiliate link. This is straight on. The more you use it, the better it is, and the more the rewards you will receive. Following up, we have another airdrop to go and claim, and this is the season 4 has ended, and the reward claim checker is now live. I will leave the link down below. This is the Tensor airdrop over on Solana, which it is really, really nice. And yeah, they have, as we see here, the governance token for the Tensor protocol have had traded over $3 billion worth of NFT. So if you are if you have the possibility to go and do it, make sure to go and claim the allocation, which we do have over here. And you have the possibility to go and grab it yourself. This is the link. This is the website. Simply connect your Solana wallet. And if you are eligible, you will see the total token allocation for which you will be eligible for to go and claim. If not, you will see this wallet is not eligible, just like myself, but there is a possibility to go and claim it. Following up, we have an important Galxe quest over for the Reya Labs over on Galxe, which could be a criteria for an airdrop in the future. So all you gotta do is follow them, like, retweet, visit the webpage, and complete the quiz over here. For this quiz, so the link will be down below. If you want to be referred by me, it is very simple, it is straightforward, it is free to go and earn. For the quiz over here, what are the answers? Well, the answers are this one: BBA, BACA. These are the answers to this quiz over here, which you are going to go and have the possibility to go and earn. Legend Speaks, these are also the other answers, as you see over here, and you will have the possibility. So these are the answer BBA, BACA, and you will receive everything. You will receive your share of points, and you will be able to go and grab yourself the airdrop if it does get also distributed to the Galxe Quest users. Following up, we have the GRVT airdrop. Now, how am I doing over here? Well, I still got an open trade. And with the GRVT airdrop, how do you go and earn the airdrop when you go and trade? Well, it is all based on fees that you go and pay. So when you close and open a long or short, for example, here I got a long position over on Bitcoin, which I did open at 98,886. Now the token is at 93. So I'm still, holding it, leaving it here. But how do you earn the airdrop? It is very simple. Every trade that you do, the link will be down below. Every trade that you do, the gas fees that you go and spend on it, those are multiplied by 1,000, and that is your trading point allocation. So trading point as well as ecosystem point, you will have the possibility to sum them together and have the batch of the airdrop coming in Q1 2025 or Q2. But I am farming this as well. It's one of the platforms that I do really like to go and trade for myself. It is risky, yes, and a lot of people say, oh, there are other platforms which are better to go and trade. And yes, there are other platforms which are better to go and trade. Absolutely, yes. This is the very early stages of a platform which will release an airdrop. So they are testing, they are launching out project, they are launching out new possibility to go and trade. And as we see here, we only have Bitcoin and Ethereum so far as a pair. So it is very new, very, very new. Absolutely, yes. So this is it. This is why it is interesting to go and do it. And why I decided to participate in it. It's because you have the possibility to be part of something which yet have not launched, and which is why I do like it. As you see here, I also trade Ethereum, I trade Bitcoin, I trade Ethereum, I trade a little bit of everything. So if you have the possibility, make sure to do it. It is only on the leverage side. There is no spot trading as of right now. So it is at the very early stages. They will implement changes. They will continue to do some good things about the protocol. But with that, make sure to go and do it. If you wish, link is down below, and I do really like it. And I'm farming it since the beginning. I've started now with the trading perpetuals only. Do not follow my, don't copy me. Don't copy my trade. I'm not financial advisor. I just do this for fun, to earn trades, and to earn the overall trading points that I will receive from this airdrop. Following up, we have the Osmosis airdrop and tokenomics update. The latest proposal passed with 82% of the approvals, and here's everything you need to know. Now we got an airdrop 10% will be unlocked on March 18, 2025, followed by a 6-month cliff. There will be a linear vesting starting on September 18, 2025 and ending in March 18, 2027. There will be anti-cyber checks. Token allocated to bots will be burned, as well as the team vesting is extended until October 2022, 2029. On-chain inflation reduced from 8 to 3% starting on January 1st, and there will be the adjustments cliff and vesting schedule for early investors. So if you are within the Osmosis ecosystem, congratulations. There will be possibility for your airdrop, and you will start receiving credits in 2025. Following up, we have another Galxe quest, which is from the Plume Network over here. And this could be something important for the Plume airdrop. And all you gotta do is to follow them, retweet, have a few Discord roll, and then you got a few quits. Now, the day 5 and 6, yet it is not out. We're still waiting for them. But for the quits day 1 to day 4, I have the answers over here. We got to make the quits. Number 1 is to answers make the world more resilient. Quits number 2 is to real world restocking. Quits number 3, it is for prepare for lending. And quits number 4, as we see over here, over 180 project partner. These are the answers that you will have to go and put when you go and open this one. Enter the answer here, 1 to 4, go and put this answer. So make sure to stop the video, check it, double check it, make sure everything is right, and you are going to be good to go. Next up, we have another airdrop that it is going to be landing on your Solana wallet, and it is this one. There is the Slinky Sol, which is a representative breakthrough in the Solana token technology, announces to airdrop 10% of its total supply, so 10% of the total supply to 27.7 million Solana wallets. But to receive this airdrop, you have to have held in your Solana wallet, whether it is Phantom, Backpack, whichever it is, you have to have at least 0.006 Solana, which is probably $1 or something like that, between or before or on the day of August 18. It is going to be a penny airdrop, absolutely yes, but just to let you know, you might see this in your Solana wallet if you do have more than 0.006 Solana during the August 30th snapshot. And last but not least, if you haven't done it yet and if you wish to go and claim it, go and check if you're eligible and possibility to claim your GLS airdrop. This is a Glacier airdrop, which we did claim. The one thing is, I got 204 token. Problem is that this token is now at, I believe it is 2 cents. The price it is at 2 cents. We got only 1,400 holders, which it is, of course, not a great thing to see. And when you go and claim the token, I could potentially claim like $3 or $4 of the airdrop, which it is the worst airdrop of 2024. But what you gotta do? Well, when you donate and claim, you have to go and claim and donate $3, as we see over here, $3 to the claiming section. So you basically give them more money to claiming something that it is worth way less. And this is why it is the worst airdrop, in my opinion, of 2024, but we have to give it to them. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn notification bell on if you're new. And with that said, I will see you all tomorrow for the final video of 2024. Have a good day and see you later. Ciao, guys.